Welcome to Eventech series on Excel 2016. Today we're going to look at calculating dates using date of birth and the current date. As you can see from my little table, I have a number of persons with their birth dates. And at the top you see that I have one person's age worked out already. I have today's date, and Friday is 33 years and 1 month. So let's see how we can get that. I'm going to remove these from here and we begin again. Now, once you know the date of birth of the person whose age you want to calculate, you can then use the date, the current date, if you want the exact age up to the particular day, or if it's like a particular time, like for example in the school system, you will need to know the age at the 31st of August of the school year. You put that date in. So we're going to use the current date so that we know how old the persons will be today. Now, note carefully that my dates of birth are all in the ISO format. Now, you will have to set yours according to how your computer is set up. Now, I have my computer set up to always show the date in ISO format. Yours may be the default, therefore, you will have to use the American format. The American format goes month, day, year. Now you will know when you have it right. When you type it in, you press enter, it should be right aligned like mine. If you type the date and it remains on the left, it means that it has gone in as text, and therefore you have to check the format and ensure that the format is correct. So I know that my system is set for ISO, so therefore I type mine in ISO format. So I am going to type today's date. Let's assume today's date is the 27th of April. That's 0427. And I can copy that down. No, I don't want to copy that. If I copy it, it's going to change the dates. It will go 28, 29, 30. So here is something new for you. I am going to select all these cells. I did not copy anything. I'm going to go to the Home tab, go to Fill, and click Fill Down. Let's go again. Select all the cells, ensure that you're on the Home tab, go to Fill, and then click Fill Down. And you will get all the dates exactly the same, no change. So now you have all the dates of birth, and you have today's date for everybody. So here's the formula. Equal date diff equal date diff. Open parenthesis. First, we're going to point to the date of birth. So I can click on the date of birth, and you see it is D24. Separator, which is your comma. Then you want to know the closing date, today's date. So I click here on E24, and you see it appears in the formula. Separator again. Now, I know when to start checking the age, the birth of the person. I know when is the cutoff date. So now I need to tell the computer that I want the years only. So I go double quotes, Y, double quotes, and close my parentheses. So it's equal date diff, the first date, second date, and then you say you're looking for the years only. Press enter, and you see the person is 33 years old. But I want to know exactly how old is he, conquering the months as well. So I go again, equal date diff, open parenthesis, click on the date of birth, separator, today's date, separator, double quotes, YM, close the quote, close parenthesis. Now, why did I put YM and not M? If I use M alone, it's going to give me all the months between the 2 days. But I want to tell it to use a mod formula, mod from modular, so that I only interested in the remainder. So the Y before the M says to the computer, ignore the years and just count the months that are left after the last birth date. Press enter, and we now know that Fred is 33 years and 1 month old. To get them down to the others, I simply select both of them, grab the little handle here at the corner, and I copy it down. What will be copied is not the actual age, but the formula, the formulae. And there you have it. Bob is 44 years and 3 months, Joe is 52 years and 10 months, Anne is 18 years and 4 months, and Mary is 73 years and 2 months. Enjoy.